Hello, Caroline over here at Premier Fitness. Today we're going to be doing a kettlebell workout. So I have 7 exercises for you. We'll do 12 reps of each exercise. Some of them requires going both directions, so I'll let you know how many we'll do for that. And this routine is something you can do 3 to 4 times. So the first one we're going to do around the world. So I'm going to do 6 one direction, 6 the other way. Okay, then we'll go the other direction. Alright, then for this we're going to do a 2-arm row, so you're going to be bent over and row up. Alright, next we're going to do a deadlift. So you have a slight bend in your knees, go all the way down and back up. Alright, this next one is a figure 8, so this will be 6 each direction, just how it sounds. Okay, now we'll go the other way. Alright, so next is Kettlebell Swings. I know I've done this one in some other videos, but I'll turn to the side. So you're going to bend down and explode through your hips. Right. Next we're going to do squats. So you can hold the weights down here, all the way down, keeping your back straight. Okay, then last one is going to be an upright row. We did a bent over row earlier, so here you're going to go all the way up and down. Alright, so that is our first set. So you can do this video again to do the rest of your sets. I'm going to turn off the camera and do the rest of my sets. But thank you for joining us today. Have a good one.